In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see Contact List from Google Drive. By the end, you'll be able to view your Google contacts right inside Drive and even add a new contact without opening a separate page. First, look for the Google Apps button, the small grid of 9 dots in the top right corner of any Google page. Click it to open the launcher. From there, select Drive. If you don't see Drive right away, scroll through the list or use the search bar within the launcher. It's the same Drive you use for your files and folders. Once Drive opens, shift your attention to the right side of the screen. You'll notice a slim vertical panel with a series of icons. This is the side panel that gives quick access to several Google tools. Find the Contacts icon, which looks like a small person silhouette. Click that, and a drawer will slide open, showing your Google contacts directly inside Drive. In this panel, you can scroll through your contact list, search by name or email, and click on a contact to see details such as their email address, phone number, or any notes you've saved. It's the very same contact information you'd see in Google Contacts elsewhere, just presented in a compact view. Any changes you make here sync automatically across your Google account. If you don't see the right side panel, try expanding your browser window or zooming out slightly. There may also be a small arrow in the bottom right corner of Drive to show or hide the panel. On some work or school accounts, an administrator may limit which side panel apps are available, so keep that in mind if the contacts icon isn't visible. You can also create a new contact right from this panel. Look for the option to create a contact, then enter the name, email, phone number, and any other details you want to store. Save it, and your new contact will appear instantly in the list and be available in Gmail, Google Contacts on the web, and on your mobile devices signed into the same account. A couple of quick tips as you work. Use the search field in the Contacts panel to jump straight to the person you need. If you manage multiple Google accounts, confirm you're in the correct one by checking your profile picture at the top right. And remember, the panel stays open as you navigate your Drive files, so you can reference contacts while you work without losing your place. That's all there is to it. Click Google Apps, open Drive, then use the Contacts icon on the right to view or create contacts.